Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Wriggler, and I'm very excited to teach you about our second set of vowel teams this week. Last week we learned about how to make the long A sound, but this week we're going to learn how to make the long I sound. We've already learned that I, with a magic E, says I. That sneaky, silent, magic E makes I say its name. But this week we're going to learn about two new ways to make the I sound. Both are vowel teams. First, let's look at I-E. I-E together says I. This black line in front means that other letters come before I-E. It's green because it's a vowel team. Our second vowel team is I-G-H. I-G-H also has a black line in front because other letters come before it. But I-G-H is purple, not green. Do you know why? Let's look at this vowel team. Is this a vowel? Yes. Is this a vowel? Yes. So it's a vowel team that's made of vowels. Now let's look at IGH. Is this a vowel? Yes. Is this a vowel? No. Is this a vowel? No. We still call it a vowel team because together it's making a vowel sound, I. G and H are silent. They're letting I make all the noise. They're still working as a vowel team, but since there's consonants in it, we're going to make this vowel team purple. Vowel teams with only vowels will be green. Let's look some more at IE and IGH. IE says I. Remember, we have that black line because consonants come before it. Now IE has two best friend letters, S and D. They're best friend letters because S and D sometimes like to come after I and E. So sometimes you will see IE at the end of a word all by itself. But sometimes you will see I, E, and a best friend, S. That's why S is one of IE's best friends. You also might see I, E, and then a best friend, D. That's why D is a best friend of I and E. So you might see IE by itself, IE with best friend S, or IE with best friend D. Now let's look at IGH. Remember, IGH also likes to have consonants come before it. And remember that IGH is purple because there are consonants in this vowel team. IGH only has one best friend. What letter is IGH's best friend? If you said T, you're correct. So sometimes you will see IGH at the end of a word all by itself. But sometimes you might see IGH with its best friend T. IGH T. This will make a little more sense when we look at our posters. Let's go ahead and look at our posters for IE and IGH. We'll look at IE first. Here's our poster for IE. IE says I like pie. If you look at the words on our poster, you can see that sometimes IE is by itself, like in pie, tie, and lie. But sometimes IE has a best friend with it. If you notice, those best friends are S's or D's, just like we talked about here. So let's go through and read all of the words on our IE poster. Pie, tie, cried, lie, fried, tried, flies, skies, cries. Hopefully it makes sense as to why S and D are best friends with IE. Now let's look at IGH. Here's our IGH poster. IGH says I like light. Do you remember who IGH's best friend is? It's T. And if you notice, there are a lot of T best friends on this poster. Sometimes IGH is by itself, like high and sigh. But a lot of times you can see that letter T, best friend. So let's go ahead and read all of the IGH words on our IGH poster. Light, right, high, sigh, fight, night, tight, bright, fright. So hopefully that makes sense as to why T is IGH's best friend. We'll go over again these tomorrow, and we'll start our chart paper today.